So we are now taking up coffeeing, and we've bought some coffee materials.
Yes.
This is a Sohn K coffee maker, because what it says on the box.
This is not Sohn K, this is socken.
Whatever. It's a coffee machine, a coffee maker. And we have a grinder.
Yes.
That apparently is a German style, international German model, stainless steel bowl to grind coffee, cardamom, nuts and spices.
What?
It does soybean and mung bean. I didn't know they had those in Germany.
Yes.
And I mean, that was quite a quick unboxing because we have that and some, and a receipt. What is that?
Get a receipt.
Oh no, that's not a receipt.
It's instruction manual.
Ah, we don't need that.
Let me tell you something about myself. I personally hate papers.
Well, maybe we do, because last time we started with not reading instructions, it all went wrong. How to use your grinder, ensure that the switch is off, never use the bowl more than 2 3/4 full.
2 3/4.
Yes.
2 3/4.
2/3, my bad. Fractions, wasn't good enough.
Do you need some help there?
Shiny knobs.
What did he say?
Shiny knobs. Shiny knobs.
So.
Possibly. Oh yeah, much.
Whoa.
God damn.
Yeah. that will knock your hair off your brows. Jeez. Well, back to cars then.
Welcome back to another video where we try and do what we didn't manage to do last week, and that's actually start this damn thing.
Finally.
So what happened was that the last time the battery was not so great, so we got a new battery that's a strong battery that hopefully won't die.
That's the battery that we use for all the cars that are giving battery issues.
And funny enough, it comes from a car that has a battery issue.
Yes.
So we've got a slightly stronger battery that might die, but also might not die because it's fully charged. And then what we have to do is play with the tune. So Clarence tried some stuff while we were away. So what he did was he retuned the Dictator to the specifications of a wasted spark system, which is what we're running here, a 4-cylinder wasted spark system.
And that means that at any given time, there's 2 sparks
Being wasted, because it's like
being
firing.
thrown.
It's
Not being
firing.
wasted, there's 2 sparks firing, not being wasted.
It wastes spark.
Oh, does it fire all of them?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was firing on a bank. Okay.
No, that's wasted spark.
And it's firing all of them every time.
Yeah.
So there's 3 sparks being wasted at any
No,
time.
there's 2.
3.
Two.
2.
This guy, he just makes up things in his head.
I don't make up anything.
You literally just did.
It's manual counting.
Whatever. Anyway, so now it's got the wasted spark specifications from Dictator, and then we also have a 4 AGE startup tune which we got after the fact. So if this, we're gonna try it now.
Oh,
If
and he found the
this-
grounding issue.
And he found a grounding issue, which was completely not my fault. It wasn't.
I seem to remember that it was you who did the wiring, but
It was completely not my fault because I said so. Anyway, we've got that sorted out. We've got a strong battery. We've got a tune if we need it. So let's go ahead and try and start it as it is and see if maybe we can get some
rooms.
rooms.
Ready? Let's see things from here.
Power. Yeah, I saw some sparks coming from, or like blue flame is coming from this side here.
Oh, yeah.
From that hole, not this hole.
Never blocked it all up.
That hole down there. And it's backfiring a lot from here.
Number one.
From number one, yeah.
Okay.
That had
We'll connect the laptop and straight up. We're getting there.
It's coming. Now it's starting to take. It was more than was happening last time. There's a little bit of poof. So the spark is sparking. And it's lighting up some fuel because there's some teeny tiny flames going on. So you play with the tune. I don't understand anything that's going on there yet. So there, we've set the number of cylinders to 2. Spark mode, single coil with distributor. That might need to change. Constant charge time might need to change. Rev limiter 15,000, that definitely has to change. Starter prime 3.7. Priming time for pump. I'm showing you all the wrong things. Fuel pump timing 4 seconds. Yeah, so that's the main setup, and the ignition is divided by 1 and it's set up for 2 cylinders. So we might need to change some stuff.
Wow, man. Damn.
Heavy compression, man. That was a big. We'll see what our compressions do. Check.
So thanks to my great friend over here who doesn't know how to record with audio,
Hold the thing, bro.
I'm back again with another voiceover. So what happened here is we saw the compression was low. Well, we assumed that the compression was low. So we checked one, as you can see, 110%. We got good compression. Then we took it over to piston number 2. So running a compression test on piston number 2, as you can see, we're not getting much compression. What causes this is us trying to start the car so many times that the fuel has actually washed away the oil that's on the cylinder walls. Therefore, there isn't much of a seal for the piston rings. So this is exactly what happened here on piston number 2. So we're going to go ahead and pop in a bit of oil and should be good to go.
Yeah.
Much better. Sick. Now the plugs go back in.
Yeah.
Right, we have to change our Duracells. Yeah. Big heavy Duracell batteries. Aye, that one is way stronger.
How long the smoke is coming
It's the oil.
It's the oil.
That is.
47.
47 was the one that we said was right.
Yeah.
Let's
So
go
what is it on now?
47.
Oh,
I think it's on 46.
What is it on now?
No, let's go put 46 first.
no, let's try it like this.
Okay. Brute it up. We're going to brute it up now.
It's gonna smell like oil and
Grandpa. That's gonna hit such a big fire.
Right.
Wait.
I wanna try and get a
Maybe 46.
Maybe give it some more fuel.
Yeah.
maybe some brute.
It really smells like brute and oil.
It does.
Okay, this map does.
Does it? Come show them the map. Of which looks nothing like a map, but anyway.
Yeah,
Gotta check the
Map.
tool.
looks like a map.
No, that doesn't look like a map, that looks like a graph.
It's a block now.
Wanna copy our answers?
Don't copy. If you do, just change it so it's not the same.
Yes. And don't start.
45, you wanna try it, and then we'll move to 47. Maybe just switch it off and then switch it on. Pull the terminal off.
Come on, man.
It's very hot.
Stripped.
No.
The struggle continues.
Came here to start a car, now we're swapping parts on starters. So, she didn't start.
Yet again. And what happened was we burnt out the starter motor.
From cranking it so much.
We tried to recon those starters. Didn't work, they weren't the same. And we tried to fix the one, tried it out, didn't work. And it's late as usual, so can't get a new starter now.
Yeah. But if we manage to get a new one, then you get a bonus video.
Well, not if we get a new one. If we manage to start it, you'll get a bonus video.
Yes, if we manage, yeah.
If we haven't started it, we'll wait another week, just like we will.
Pretty much that's how the cookie crumbles. But for now, you can click over there to see the last time that we failed Click in the middle to subscribe. And over here you can see everything else that's tortured us about this build.
I actually don't care where you click. I'm so over this damn car, I swear.